Today I'm going to teach you how to make a spokesperson gig in Fiverr. This does not require any investment, like $0. So first you need to go to my business, then gigs. So after you click on gigs, you go to this page with which I already am in. Now create a new gig. So for the gig title, this is important. You don't want your gig title to be too long. You want it to be short and sweet. So for that, be your natural spokesperson in English. So in spokesperson, if you speak multiple languages, it will help you get a bigger client pool. It will make your client base larger. So please keep which language you can speak in your gig title, because it will be easier for them to find you. For category, right here, video and animation, spokesperson videos. There you go. And for this gig metadata, presenter, are you a female, male, puppet, other? But I recommend it if you do male or female or other, because puppet is a like small niche, not many people do it. And for the spokesperson video, mostly people want real humans to give them review about their product, about their website, or about their company. So people mainly focus on real humans giving review. So I'm a female, so I do female. For the language, as I already told you, I only speak English, so let me go with English right here. If you speak any other language, go for it, because it will make your audience base larger. So accent, for my accent, I'm mostly Canadian because I can't do other accent, but if you can, that is real good. So for the age range, I'm a youth, so I'll select youth. But the thing is, you don't need to worry about your age range, because it doesn't matter at all. The market is for all ages, and it will not hamper if you are like older or younger, because they want diversity in their reviews. So you will definitely get a gig, no problem. So for background, what do you have? If you have green screen, just like a green blanket, even you can do green screen. But for me, I mostly do home. I did green screen, but I don't have a proper setup. I just put on a green blanket, and that was also, I stopped doing that, but it worked okay, no worries. And office, these are good, but most people want outdoor videos. They want you to walk in the street and make a video, or they want you in a like parking lot in a car. If you don't have that, you can just tell it to your buyers that you don't, and they will compromise. They will be like, okay, you can do it at home, no problem. So you don't need to worry. You just need to talk to your clients before getting the gig started. So for positive keywords, this will help the buyers search you in the search engine. So for this, I did some research of my own, and these work great for me. So this is selfie one. So one is selfie UGC. This works great. Many people even search UGC for spokesperson. And then there's spokesperson. And there's testimony. So these are the keywords I searched for. It will cover everything you need. And you can put your gender too, because people will specifically search for male or female spokesperson, because this will also help you. Many people want specific gender to give them review about specific products. So with all these, you will cover everything you need in spokesperson. So now let's confirm this and save and continue. So now we get to pricing. For pricing, you don't need to do much in the title, your package name. Just keep it basic, keep it easy. So right here, basic, standard, premium. Now for the basic, you need to describe the details of your offering. For that, I'll write 25 words for basic. Simple, video, custom, outfit. meaning they can tell you to wear a white shirt and you wear a white shirt. They won't have outrageous demands, they will just have simple demands like you need to be a little bit formal, so wear a formal attire, not a crazy outfit, so don't worry about it. 35 words for standard and the same. And for this it's 50 words. So for delivery time, do 1 day, because most people won't wait a long time. If it's a long video, give it 2 days. And if they want to have it delivered faster, you can just charge them more. So for revision, I would mostly go with unlimited when we are new, because unlimited revision is more appealing to the clients and you are new in the gig pool, so you would want to attract customers more. So unlimited revisions. So same, words included 25. This will be 35. And this will be 50. So for the words included, you need to really think about it. I want to tell you this beforehand, because for the spokesperson gig, we mostly price according to the number of words we say in the video. A client will give you a script, and in that script, how many words are included? In my opinion, I think this is a good amount of words to get started with, because mostly people want $5, $15 video. So let's go with background. You will definitely give them background, yes. Discuss it with your client if you have that background or not. Script writing. Let's not do it for basic, for standard and for premium. Okay. For script writing, most people usually charge more. Give them overlay text, add logo, because these are easy things. You can just add a logo at the side, easy. Custom outfit, no problem. So the price range is, when you're new, give it $5, then 15, and then for $50 make it 30. And I don't know about licensed images and music track because I don't do that. So now for basic words, additional words, I will charge $5 for every 25 extra words. For extra fast delivery, for the basics we already have only 1 day, so we can't add. So for premium, in 1 day you can just charge $5. Now additional revision, you can take more money, but we have already given unlimited revision, so this is not necessary for us. Script writing, additional stock, not much is needed in here. So now briefly describe your gig. So for description and FAQ, I have already written a description which I'm gonna copy and paste. I'll put it in my description box below if you want it. Now save and continue. Add new questions. What are the most necessary questions you want to ask? Do you want the video vertical or landscape? The most important one. And then what format do you want the video in? Other, mostly you can talk it out in chat. What do they want? They would definitely give you, like, example, I want a vertical video with 25 words of script. I want you to wear formal attire, a white shirt, and I want the background to be plain, and that's it. That's how it works usually. And then you just send them an offer and you make the video and deliver it to them. So now next, save and continue. Now this is the important part. Most people will look at your gallery. So for gallery, you want one video and one image. You don't need more than that. So for the video reference, you can just switch to buying. From here, switch to selling, switch to buying. Just write spokesperson video, and voila, there's so many references you can get for the video. As you can see, there is many references. Just see the first video from here. These videos, and then you can make a video of your own using CapCut or any other editing apps. Now for the image. For this, you can definitely use Canva. You can see the templates. Use any of the free templates right here. You don't need to stress about it, like there are thousands of templates which are free to use and modify. So I'm just gonna go with the first one, customize. And right here, spokesperson. Your video, what will you give from that video? Just write it here. It's affordable, high quality, attention grabbing, increased engagement with buyers, with increased engagement with buyers, fast delivery. Okay, that's it. Now that's over. Delete this and put a nice picture of you over here. So frame, get a nice circular frame. And here I put a random guy's profile, but in yours you definitely need to use your own photo. I'm just putting a random person here because I just want to show you. Now let's go download. So for this you need to use JPG or PNG because that's what they accept for the cover. And then select that page, done, download. Right here you can see this is how it looks like. This will definitely be a picture. Here you go. Let's put the JPG right here. Perfect. Put the video in here in MP4 format. Let's go. I declare that these materials, and after that publish the gig, and that's it. Thank you and have a great journey with this gig. You will definitely get jobs way quicker than any other gigs in this one. Please subscribe if you like the channel and if you find this informative to you. Thank you.